morning children. Today is the day of EVS and today I am going to revise all those chapters those we have done in this month. Okay, and after that I will give you question answers, new words one by one for each and every chapter. Okay, so first of all I will start with the helpers in our neighborhood. This is the chapter which is about helpers. Those the people who help us in our daily routine work, like postmen, doctors, teachers, and tailor, cobbler, watchman. These are some uh, helpers. Okay, there are so many other helpers there in your life who help you in daily routine, like you must have seen a maid or some didi or auntie, someone comes to your house to give domestic help to your mama. So these are also the helpers. Okay, so we should respect them because they work very hard for better life, but simultaneously they help us, and we should respect them. Okay, so in this chapter you must have read that doctors, what doctors do, how doctors help us. Doctors treat us when we are sick. Okay, हम कहाँ जाते हैं जब हम बीमार हो जाते हैं? डॉक्टर के पास. Okay, they give us some medicines and we get healthy. Okay, then if we talk about policemen, then policemen are there to catch thieves or and make sure that people follow the law. अगर जैसे अगर law है that you know that कोरोना टाइम इज़ देयर, जैसे कि अगर पता चलता है कि अभी कोरोना है और अभी आपको नहीं जाना है बाहर, जैसे आफ्टर 8 o'clock द शॉप्स शुड बी क्लोज्ड, all the shops, all the markets, then policemen help us to follow the rules or law. They make sure that people should follow the law. Okay, as it is, teachers helps you to understand the things around you. They teaches you the lessons, and they make you learn so many things apart from studies, or they teach you how to write, how to learn, how to read. Okay, so these are some tasks which teacher do. Okay, now I will talk about tailor. Tailor is a person who stitches clothes. If you want to wear a dress which is not in properly stitched, then you have to go to the tailor only. जैसे कि मम्मा है या हाँ, जैसे मम्मा है, शी यूजुअली शी वेयर्स साड़ीज़ और सलवार सूट्स, है ना. तो सलवार सूट्स आप यूजुअली मिल जाता है, दैट you can take it stitched also, but sometimes it gets in dress material. Okay, so we have to go to the tailor. They will take our measurement, body measurement, and then according to measurement they stitch the clothes. Okay, now postman delivers letters to us, and barber, they cut hair, they and cobbler, they makes and mends our shoes. Sometimes you see that in your shoe the buckle of the shoe has removed, then you go to the cobbler and tell him to repair that. So mends means repair. Okay, then garbage man, आप लोगों ने सुना ही होगा, स्वच्छता का पंच, है ना. So they came to your home, they came to your doorstep, and they take garbages and throw it in the their garbage bin. Then watchman guards our house at night when we are sleeping. They roam here and there in the colony, and they watch that the thieves or any other stranger should not come in the colony. Okay, so these people make our life easy and comfortable, so we should respect them. Fine. Now I will talk about festivals and celebrations. Recently we have celebrated Diwali festivals and Guru Purab. Guru Purab means जो सिख religion के जो लोग होते हैं, they celebrate this festival regarding to in the memory of Guru Nanak ji, Guru Nanak Sahib. Okay, so there are so many other festivals like Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Eid usually celebrated by Muslim religion people, and there is Raksha Bandhan is also. So Raksha Bandhan is the festival of sister and brothers. Okay, then one more some festivals are there like Independence Day, Republic Day or Gandhi Jayanti. These are the national festivals. So these festivals are celebrated by the people of the country across the India. Okay, so Diwali, Dashera, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, these are the religious festivals, because these festivals are celebrated by some particular religion. Okay, now so we have to now you know which festival is coming in this month. Yes, 25th of December we are going to celebrate Christmas. Christmas is the favorite festival of children, because you must have heard about Santa Claus, that he comes to your home and gives gifts and all. So I think if your Santa Claus are your parents, because they give you whatever you want, so you have to respect your parents also, because they are true or real Santa Claus in your life. Okay, so these are two chapters which I have revised. Okay, now next is clothes. Whatever we wear, why we wear clothes? Why do we need clothes? To cover our body, and clothes protects us from heat, rain, cold, and insects, है ना? So that's why we have to wear clothes, and after wearing clothes we look so smart, no? Right. So there are some types of clothes, like some clothes are according to the we wear according to the season. Like if right now winter season has started, so in the morning and the late evening we feel some cold. Okay, so that time we wear that time we wear what to wear. We wear jackets, we wear socks, we wear sweaters and all. Okay, so these are the woolen clothes. Okay, and we wear in winter season. Some clothes we wear in summer. These are cotton clothes, because the cotton clothes are there cotton cloths absorb sweat. Sweat means पसीना. जब हमको बहुत गर्मी होती है, बहुत पसीना आता है, that time जो cotton clothes होते हैं, they absorb sweat and they keep us cool. Okay. Now in rainy season we wear raincoats, we use umbrella. These are the clothes which we wear in rainy season. Okay. Some clothes we wear in our workplace or in some special moment. Okay, like in our school also, like uniforms, like police have their own uniform, doctors have their uniform coat. You must have seen that white coat they wear, that is their uniform. Police wear something else, right? And others like nurses, nurses also wear some their uniforms. Okay, the students also wear uniform in the school, and some clothes are there which we wear at the special occasions, like in wedding, in in birthdays or any other event, है ना. So these are the special clothes. Okay, so we have we should care clothes, we should care of clothes also. If you will take care of your clothes, then clothes will take care of you. Okay, so we should not make them dirty all the time. We should wear neat and clean clothes. We should wear iron clothes. So if you are going to school, you have to go in neat and clean uniform, and it should be ironed also. Fine. Now, houses. We have learned about houses. There are different types of houses. And why do we need house? Because house protects us from the heat, rain, thieves, animals, है ना. So these are the this is the main reason when you need a house. And there are different types of house, like kacha house and pakka house. Two types of house mainly there, that is kacha house and pakka house. Kacha house means you must have seen small huts which is made up of straw, mud. These are the kacha house. Okay, and pakka house means like the houses which is made up of cement, iron rod, bricks, wood. These are the pakka house. And there are so many types of pakka house, like bungalows, मल्टी लेवल अपार्टमेंट्स जहाँ पे फ्लैट्स होते हैं, है ना. एंड एनी अदर थिंग्स लाइक और भी होते हैं रो हाउसेस. फाइन. एंड देर आर सम पार्ट्स ऑफ रूम्स, पार्ट्स ऑफ हाउसेस ऑल्सो. एक हाउस के बहुत सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं, लाइक बेडरूम वेर वी गो टू स्लीप, किचन इज़ यूज फॉर कुकिंग, मम्मा कुक करती है वहाँ पे फूड. एंड then dining area, that is dining room is there, where the people of the whole family eat together. And living room or drawing room, that is for the purpose that we sit and talk to our guest. Okay. And bathroom, we use bathroom to take bath and wash your hands, etc. Okay, so these are 4 chapters which we have done in this month or last month. So you have to read these chapters again, and I will send you one by one all the chapters, question answers and new words. Okay, so thank you for today. Bye.